Our minds are malleable, reshapeable, and impressionable. According to Professor Carol Dweck, intelligence is not an inherent characteristic, but rather one that we develop over time, through trial and error, through failure and success. Having a growth mindset encourages us to put forth effort to achieve our goals, to emphasize and appreciate the thinking and learning process, and to find joy in discovering new knowledge and making progress toward our goals. Technology is playing an increasingly integral part of the learning process. This inspires a question. How can technology help change the way we think about learning? To answer this question, let's consider the components that make up a growth mindset. There are several foundations, or let's say pillars, on which a growth mindset is developed. First, an instructor must have high expectations for all learners. By individualizing academic goals, by providing opportunities to engage in challenging work that inspires creativity, and by making expectations clear and visible, learners are held accountable for performing at their highest levels, even though these levels may differ from student to student. High expectations encourage learners to make efforts to improve and grow. This brings us to a second pillar of growth mindset. Whereas a fixed mindset will lead an individual to place value in high scores and evidence of great intelligence, a growth mindset praises a learner's effort and the learning process. When a learner is engaged in discovery or creation, evidence of their effort should take precedence over evidence of their mastery. Mastery may be the end goal, but the learning path can be arduous and frustrating. As learners participate in new activities, they should be given the chance to demonstrate their thinking regularly and to articulate the thought process. When learners share their thinking, they can be provided with feedback that celebrates correct thinking and encourages improvement in areas of confusion. Sharing our thought processes, however, can be intimidating. Mistakes are unavoidable and sometimes embarrassing. A growth mindset requires an environment that supports learning in the presence of error. Thus, the third pillar of growth mindset is to create an environment in which risk-taking is safe. Instructors and learners alike must respect the thinking process, which can be complicated and lengthy. Yes, errors are common in learning. However, care should be taken to encourage learners to use their mistakes as opportunities to learn something, to correct something, or to explore something. Positive environments are often built on a foundation of positive communication, so a safe environment should include many opportunities for discourse. Finally, learners and instructors must both make a change in how they view failure. Focusing on the positive aspects of an unsuccessful learning situation will cultivate a desire to continue on the learning path. So how can technology promote these three components of growth mindset? Technology can facilitate communication. Email, social media, blogs, forums, synchronous and asynchronous meetings of all types can encourage positive learning discourse. Technology can also promote process analysis through tools that offer opportunities for self-reflection or tasks that involve capturing the learning process at multiple stages. Technology can help to emphasize the importance of thinking critically and thinking logically. Technology can motivate learners to increase effort. Gamification tools provide a unique spin on traditional learning models that increase motivation, emphasize the importance of setting goals, and promote improved student effort. Technology can monitor student progress. In order to praise progress, learner progress must be documented. Technology offers many options for organizing large quantities of student data in accessible ways. This data can be shared with students too, for an additional boost to motivation. Technology can make risks safe. By providing workspaces where error is not made permanent, such as a scratchpad application, learners are free to test their ideas without fear of judgment. The alternative can have benefits as well. Workspaces where student work is quickly accessible to a wide audience online provide an added reason to put forth great effort. Technology can make progress, improvement, and growth the focus in education. Technology can help to cultivate a growth mindset for teachers, for administrators, and for students. So let's go out and make some mistakes, and then fix them.